Good morning, student. So now today we see our next chapter. In previously one assessment is remaining. That assessment you do by yourself. That is assessment 1.6 that complete by yourself. Okay. In that whatever type of questions are there, that all type of questions we solved. So we start now new chapter. So what is a new chapter? 4 fundamental operations on whole number. So which are the 4 fundamental operations? 4 fundamental operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. So that we see now. So for that now we start assessment 2.1. So in assessment 2.1, what is the first question? The price of 4 kg of rice is equal to the price of 9 kg of wheat. If the price of 1 kg wheat is rupees 20, what is the total cost of 8 kg rice and 9 kg wheat? Okay. So what question they ask? Price of 4 kg rice is equal to the price of 9 kg wheat. Means 4 kg rice and 9 kg wheat. Both are in equal amount. Okay. So what is the price of 1 kg wheat? That is 20 rupees. And what we have to find out finally? Finally we have to find out cost of 8 kg rice and 9 kg wheat. So we see how to solve this sum. So firstly see here. Price of rice, 4 kg rice and 9 kg wheat. Both are equal. Okay. Both are here equal. Then 1 kg wheat. What is the given? Price of 1 kg wheat is rupees 20. Yes. Then we find out price of 9 kg wheat. So what is the price of 9 kg wheat? 20 into 9. Why? Because 1 kg price wheat price is rupees 20 and this 9 is why? Because we want 9 kg wheat. So 9 to the 18 and this 2. So what is answer? Rupees 180. So what is the price of 9 kg wheat? Rupees 180. If now see, if 9 kg wheat price is 180. So what is the price of rice of 4 kg? That is also 180. So price here 180 and here also 180. Both are equal. See, we write here rice and wheat. Both are equal now. 180, 180. Now final what question they ask? They want the total cost of 8 kg rice and 9 kg wheat. Student, if 4 kg rice weight is, price is 180. Then what is the price of 8 kg wheat? Double of it means 2 into 180. So what is the price of 8 kg rice? That is 360. Okay. So here we find out 8 kg, price of 8 kg rice and price of 9 kg wheat. So final answer 9 kg wheat is 180. So what is final answer? 360 plus 180 means 8 kg rice and 9 kg wheat. So how much it is? Rupees 540. Yes. So here which option is correct here? First is there? No. Second? No. Third? No. Yes. Option D is correct here. Okay. So you circle here option D. Now next question. Which number should be added sum of 83,524 and 4,365 to get 900 into 100? Means what you have to do? Here you have to, means one number is given. In that number, sum of that number is this one. We want, means one number in that, this one. So we want this number. Okay. So we find out what is that number. So firstly see, what is the sum of that two number? 83,524 plus 4,365. Okay. What is the addition of it? This one. 87,889. Okay. So now we see. We want both number equal. So which number in that we add, then we will get this number. So 900 into 100. How much it is? 90,000. Now for finding that number, what you have to do? From this number, from this 90,000, you have to subtract 87,889. So we subtracted here. See, 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Again 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. And 8 minus 8, 0 is there. Okay. So which number we have to, which number we should add in that number, then we will get this number. So this is the number, 2111. So see which option is correct here. Option A is there? No. Option B is correct. So take here option B. Okay. Now next question. An engine can draw 95 liters of water in a minute. How much time will it take to draw 13,965 liters of water? So now students see, in 1 minute how many liter water it draw? 95. Then what we have to find out? This much liter water, 13,965 liter water, how much time or how much minutes required? Then what you have to do? 1396 divided by 95. So we divide it. You have to divide it. Okay. So we divide it. Okay, see, so we divide this one. Now here we divide it. See, 95 ones are 95. How much remaining? 44. Then take out these 6 downside. 95 4s are 380. Subtract it. 6 minus 0, 6. 14 minus 8, it is 6. So 66 remaining. Here is a 0. Now what is number upside? 5. So take that down. 95 7s are 665. So 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Again 6 minus 6, 0. So what is the answer? 147. But students, see in option. What options they given? They given 147 seconds, 147 minutes, 147 hours and 1470 minutes. So what is our answer? 147 minutes. Why minutes? Because here we find out answer for minutes. So that's why answer is 147 minutes. Don't confuse. Now we see next question. That fourth question, we skip that question. Okay, now we see fifth question. Again, fifth question is also similar like third question only. So, an engine can draw 84,500 liters of water per hour. If the engine kept on for 10 hours a day, how many liters of water will it draw in 5 days? Okay, so here they given in third, they given in minute, but now they given in hours. So 1 hour, how much liter it draw? 84,500. Okay, then for 1 day, how many time they tank what engine is on? For 10 hours. So now what we have to find out? For 5 days, how much water they can take out. So we see how to do this. See, for 1 hour 84,500. Then for 10 hours 84,500 into 10. It means how much it is? 8,45,000 liter. Okay. This is means that tanker is engine is on for 10 hours for 1 day. But what we have to find out? For 5 days. Then what you have to do? Whatever this answer into 5. Why 5? Because for that engine is on for 5 days. So 8,45,000 into 5. Okay, multiply it. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Again 5 zeros are 0. Now 5 5s are 25. 5 is here, 2 is carry. 4 5s are 20 and 20 plus 2, 2 is there. Then again 2 is carry. Now 8 5s are 40 and 40 plus 2, 42. So what is the answer? 42,25,000 liter. Okay. So we see that answer is here or not. What is that? 42,000. Here is 40,000. Okay. So this is there. No. Next is 42,25,000. Yes. This answer is correct. Okay. Here is 40,25,000. But our answer is 42,25,000. Sorry. 4,22,500. Yes. That is only our answer. 4 lakh. No, sorry. This is not our answer. It is 4,22,500. This is, no, it is 42,250. Then what is answer? Yes, this is our answer. 42,25,000. So this is, no, this is not our answer. Our answer is this one, D. Now we see next one. 6th one. 4 different varieties of cloth is available. A. 25 meter cloth for rupees 460. Then B. 30 meter cloth for rupees 912. Then 15 meter cloth for rupees 375. And 18 meter cloth for rupees 396. So which type of cloth is cheapest? So students, see here for 23 meter cloth, how much rupees required? 460. Means for each cloth different meter they took and for different price. Then what you have to do? So here you have to find out price of 1 meter cloth. So A, we find out. What you have to do? 460 divided by 23. Then here you get price of 1 meter cloth. Then for this one, what will you do? For 396 divided by 18. Then you will get price of 1 meter cloth for D. Similarly, I have to do for C also and B also. So we do that. C. A, 460 divided by 23. So it is rupees 20. That is the price of 1 meter cloth. Here 912 divided by 38. This is the price of rupees 24 for 1 meter. Here 375 divided by 15. This is the price of 1 meter cloth, that is rupees 25. And last one 396 divided by 18. So 22 rupees per meter, this one. So now see here, which one is the cheapest here? Cheapest means lowest. So which one is the lowest price? That is rupees 20. Yes. So now we see which option is correct here. First is 75. Second 50. C 42.50. And last is rupees 25. So which answer is correct here? Option D. Yes. Now we see last sum from this assessment. That is 8. 1,250 people visited a circus on Friday. 3 times as many people visited on Saturday than on Friday. How many people taken together visited the circus on these 2 days? So students, see, on Friday how many people visited? 1,250. Okay. But Saturday how many people visited? 3 times of Fridays. Means Friday में कितने थे? तो Saturday में कितने हुए? 3 times into these people. So you have to multiply it. So how to do it? See, Friday this much people. Saturday this much people into 3. Why 3? Because Saturday 3 times more people visited to circus. So multiplied. 3 zeros are 0. 5 threes are 15. 5 is here. 1 is carry. 3 twos are 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. Now 3 ones are 3. So what is the answer? 3,750. But final one more question they ask. What is the question they ask? They want people visited on Friday and Saturday. So what you have to do? Add this one and this one. So see, together for Friday this much people and Saturdays this. So add it. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 0. 1 is carry. 7 plus 2, 9. And 9 plus 1, carry 10. So again 0 is here, 1 is carry. So 3 plus 1, 4. And 1 carry, 5. What is the answer? 5,000. Okay. So see which option is correct here. First A is there? No. Option B is correct here. Okay student. So here we completed assessment 2.1. Okay. This one complete in your notebook with explanation. That's all for today. Good day and thank you.